Hey everyone, I'm Alexandra from the YouTube channel Alexandra Beuter, and in today's video I'm sharing with you the perfect everyday look for brunettes. It's quick, it's easy, and it will get you out the door in no time looking your best. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to the Aveda channel. If you are new here, you do not want to miss out on upcoming videos. Everything I'm going to use today you guys can find info on in the description box below. Of course, all these products are available at aveda.com or at your nearest Aveda salon. So if you would like to see how I got this look, keep on watching. I recently went to an Aveda salon for their hair color shine treatment. This is 93% naturally derived. It lasts up to 6 weeks and it gives you instant condition and shine. This is also a fully customizable experience. So you can choose between a demi-permanent hair color or a clear gloss if you're happy with where your hair color is right now, but you still want to experience all the benefits of the treatment. I personally chose demi-permanent because I love a really rich and vibrant hair color, but I do a lot of styling and washing, so it does tend to fade quickly, and because this only takes 20 minutes, I don't have to schedule a full day, a full morning and afternoon. I can be in and out in no time. So if you have a busy lifestyle and you need something to refresh your hair between permanent colorings, this is a great option for you. I'm going to use a 1.5 inch wand to style my hair, and I'm starting this look by smoothing it with the Aveda wooden paddle brush. This features extended bristles for easy detangling, and it also reduces the stress to your hair and scalp throughout the blow drying and styling process. I'm going to use the Damage Remedy Split End Repair next. It's a leave-in treatment and it instantly repairs those split ends while also helping to prevent future splits from forming. So I like to apply a small amount onto my hands and then I work it through my ends, and the Nangai oil is going to attract separated ends back together, helping to smooth and seal hair fibers. I'm going to begin styling now, so I like to start on the very bottom section of my hair, and I have the wand going downwards. As you can see, I wrap the entire strand except for about the last 2 inches or the last wrap that would go around the wand, and I hold it on it for, I would say, 7 to 10 seconds. I also hold it in my hand to cool for the same amount of time, and this is what you have after, just a really pretty wavy and loose curl. I'm repeating this on my entire head, the exact same thing, and all the curls are going away from my face. And for the curls on the base of my head, I also like to style these ones slightly tighter than the rest of the curls because the hair on the base of my head is the longest. That's probably true for most of you watching as well. So these curls do tend to fall faster, but if I curl them a little bit tighter than the rest, it helps to even it out and they last a lot longer. And for those of you with shorter hair, it may be easier to section your hair with hair clips. Since my hair is longer, I can just put it over my shoulder to section it. And also, if your hair does tangle, instead of doing all the curls away from your face, you may also like to consider switching it every other, so forward and away. That will help separate the curls for much longer. And now that my hair is styled, I'm applying the Be Curly Curl Enhancing Hairspray. It's a flexible hold spray, so you don't have to worry about hard or stiff style. It will lock in your curls with all-day frizz control, and corn-derived conditioning agents leave the hair touchable with no flaking or crunchiness. I'm going to wait 5 minutes to allow my curls to completely cool before the next step. And now I'm going to lightly brush through and separate the curls with my fingers, just shaking it out for a more tousled look. The hairspray is also giving me more volume when I do this for a fuller appearance, which is great. And the Be Curly Curl Enhancing Hairspray can also be used on naturally curly hair for a more manageable look. And lastly, I just like to smooth down my ends with the Aveda paddle brush. I'm choosing a lip color from the Aveda Feed My Lips Pure Nourishment Lipstick Collection, featuring 23 long-wearing satin shades expertly matched to complement your hair color. And starting out with the Pure Nourish Mint Lip Treatment to moisturize and smooth in the signature certified organic peppermint, vanilla, and ginger aroma flavor. And onto the primer pencil to create a smooth base. I've also noticed it helps to fill in fine lines. And this is the Bayberry Lip Liner. It's one of 8 liners to complement your lipstick with shape with non-feathering precision. They also have mango seed oil and a blend of botanical waxes for smooth gliding and blendable color. The first shade I'm sharing with you is 08 Guava. It's a deep pink rose shade, and the balanced blend of botanical waxes help deliver long-wearing benefits for color that lasts all day. It stays true for 8 hours and does not feather. It's great for my neutral to cool tone brunette hair when I'm feeling the need for a pop of color that isn't too over the top. And for days I'd like a more natural look, I use the Cola Lip Liner, and I pair that with Kimi Fig. It's a warm pink with gold shimmer. There are several recommendations on the Aveda website to pair your hair color with a lip color. You can choose one of those, go neutral, go bold, or create your own combination for a signature look. And that is everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the Aveda channel. You also can hit the bell if you'd like to be notified whenever a new video goes up. If you recreate this look, definitely tag me. I would love to see your looks. Everything you need is down below. All the product info, definitely check there. And I will see you next time. Bye!